So let us take a very important example, 4p 4d configuration. We will find out the term values one by one and we will apply the Hund's rule to find the energy levels of 4p 4d state. First of all, we will try to find out whether it is equivalent electrons or non-equivalent electrons. So if we have same n and l value, then it is equivalent electron, otherwise it is non-equivalent electrons. First of all, let us see n value. For both of the electrons, the value of n is same. But the L value is different for both of the electrons. You can write this as like this, 4p1, 4d1. One electron in 4p, one electron in 4d state. So we have same n value but different L value. You can see here for P we have L is equal to 1, for D we have L is equal to 2. So different L value, we will apply the rules of non-equivalent electrons. Very easy. So let us discuss here. L1 is equal to, for P state we have L1 is equal to 1, for D state we have L2 is equal to 2. I can write it here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, S, P, D, F. For L1 is equal to 1, we have P state. For L2 is equal to 2, we have D state. S1 half, S2 half. So by combining L1 and L2 using LS coupling, the value of capital L will come out to be 3, 2, 1. And S is 1 and 0. So we have used L1 plus L2 to L1 minus L2 mod values. So L1 plus L2 is 3, L1 minus L2 mod is 1, 2 minus 1, 1. So the values of L are 3, 2, 1. So number 1, for L is equal to 3, we will use S equal to 1. For L is equal to 3, we will use S equal to 0. For L equal to 2, we will use S equal to 1. For L equal to 2, we will use S equal to 0. For L equal to 1, we will use S equal to 1. L equal to 1, we will use S equal to 0. So these are the term values corresponding to L1 is equal to 1, L2 is equal to 2. These are various term values. So we have calculated the term values for 4p 4d configuration, which are given by these values. So let us arrange these term values according to the increasing or decreasing order of energy, and those energy differences will be decided by the Hund's rule. So here it is the 4p 4d state. The first rule says that those term values having highest multiplicity will go lower in energy. Again, I repeat, those term values having higher multiplicity will go lower in energy. For this 4p 4d state, we have S equal to 0, for which multiplicity is 1, and we have S equal to 1, for which multiplicity is 3. multiplicity is given by 2s plus 1 rule. So according to this rule, for s equal to 1, we have multiplicity equal to 3. So 3 is greater than 1. Here the multiplicity is 3. Here the multiplicity is 1. So those term values having higher multiplicity will go lower in energy. So accordingly, s equal to 1 term values are lower in energy and s equal to 0 term values are higher in energy. Now let us come to the same value of s term values. So these three term values are same, having same multiplicity. For the second rule, we have to see the L value. Those term values having highest L will go lower in energy. For F, we have L equal to 3. For D, we have L equal to 2. For P, we have L equal to 1. So corresponding to these values, higher value of L will go lower in energy. Accordingly, we have separated 1F, 1D, 1P state. Similarly, we can take the example for S equal to 1 here. This is the 3P state. This is the 3D state, 3F state. Higher L value, lowest in energy. The third rule says that the higher J values will be higher in energies for electrons less than half-filled states. In this case, we can take the example of 3p state. Here the J value is 2, higher energy, 1 lower than this value. Then we have 0, lowest of all the three values. 3p2, 3p1, 3p0. You can see in this state also 3d3, 3d2, 3d1, again 4, 3, 2. In this case also we have, this is simple case, need not to discuss here. So this is the case for Hund's rule for less than half-filled states. For electrons having more than half-filled states, these values will be reversed. This means to say the higher J values will go lower in energy for more than half-filled states. What are the more than half-filled states? We have, in this present case, we have 4p1, 4d1 state. What will be the more than half-filled? We know that in case of p state, we have total number of 6 electrons. If we have a configuration like this, 4p5 and 4d9. This is more than half-filled, this is also more than half-filled, and for this more than half-filled states, those values will be reversed. So this is all about the Hund's rule